Hi again, it's Mike Sanderson with Auto Service Experts, talking to you today about seasonal preparation, vehicle preparation to get your car ready for your upcoming summer road trips. There are some simple things that need to be looked at. Obviously, we need to check all your fluids and belts and hoses, but we need to look at the coolant, make sure the coolant level is full, make sure the coolant chemistry has the right pH balance and everything. It has the right freeze and boil protection to where it's got the proper mix, so you don't have to worry about it overheating in the engine, because in the summertime you can have too much antifreeze in the engine and it will cause the car to get hot quicker. Also, checking tires, checking wheel alignment, balancing the tires before you start heading out on a road trip is always a good recommendation of ours. If you haven't had your wheel alignment done in the last 12 months, getting the wheel alignment taken care of will also ensure that your tires will wear properly. So when you are going on those nice road trips this summer, you don't have to worry about your tires wearing in an unusual pattern and causing you problems with tires wearing out or possibly having a blowout. We also want to make sure your wiper blades are in good shape, because when you go a month or so, or if you go weeks without rain and then all of a sudden get rain, it's easy to forget about the wiper blades if you don't use them a whole lot. So if you need to get something looked at, give us a call or go on our website and we will gladly take care of it for you.